Welcome to my channel, Ride with Patrick. Today we're gonna ride. Come. Just have to be careful, there is sand all over the place. It's my second ride of the year. I tried the road yesterday and now I try it today just to be sure that everything is going alright. Not many people are driving or riding today. This is maybe because of the coronavirus, so most of the people are staying at home. Some people are out for a tour. And me too. I'm also testing my new microphone. It's Tascam DR10L. It's the size of a Tic Tac box, or half the size of a cigarette pack for those that know what I mean, or lighter. It's about that size, so it's quite small. As I said, it's my second ride of the year. The first ride I had to just check out the road, too much gravel and so on. I don't like to ride, but since it's alright, then we're riding. I'm gonna take a little bit the motorway to check as well the microphone. The camera is still filming, it's okay. I'm as well filming with an Insta360 one so that I can show you. I actually took away, as you see, I took away my GoPro, my facial GoPro, because I have the feedback here, and I have the other one on the road as well. And when I come on the motorway, I'm gonna open a little bit, so with the magic of filming, then we'll see on the motorway. Welcome back. So as I said, I'm filming with my Insta360 one. I really enjoy that camera because it's in a way one of the best alternative to GoPro. It makes amazing films. I can choose whatever I want people to see. When I was riding with my GoPro, I had to blur as well the front camera sometimes. As you know, I usually use the Tascam DR05, yeah, Tascam DR05. That's the one I'm usually using. And I switched to the 10DL. I have it in my pocket. I don't feel a thing because it's so light, and the good thing about it is you just set it up once and you just ride. If you are afraid that the microphone will clip because of the noise, it will automatically. I set it up, but it makes another sound. So it registers 2 times the sound, one at full power and the other one at about 12 decibel under, just to be sure in case it starts clicking. I can use the other sound part. So it makes 2 sound partition on the card. The thing is, as well, it will be a short one because it's between 6 and 10 degrees, so let's say roughly 8 degrees, but it's a little bit windy, and as I cannot have my scarf on my mouth so you can hear what I'm saying instead of having my sound muffled. So we see each other by the tunnel. There is a tunnel forward. And I'll see you there. So we'll hear the sound